What's going on, you guys? We just got a delivery of the power supplies that we need to hook up the RV park that Bowser's trying to build, which is going to be a sanctuary for trans people getting out of danger. This is the meter service. This little tiny thing, we have got to make a much bigger service because, well, when you're running an RV and some other campers, well, you need more juice. So we're going to tear into these. This should be the breaker panel, which I've already cut the tape on, make it easier to rip into. Because so this is going to be, this is the 200 amp breaker that's going to go on the wall. We got a D sheet. So this is the first breaker panel that'll go in to give power to the RV park, which, if I can get this little, oh, it does have a safety shutoff already built right in, which is nice, but that does not disconnect the bus bars in the back, which leads me to that box. Yes, this turns off these breakers, but it does not turn off the juice that's coming into this box, which makes it unsafe to add new circuits. So from there, oh, it's a double box.
Shit. It's spooked. It's a pretty durable box.
Yeah. Well, it's not gonna hurt it at all. I didn't mean to knock it over though. Ah. This would be the safety switch that actually disconnects power, which, for the sake of standing it up on this box. And from here, your 3 legs of power, which is black wire, a red wire, and a white, black, red, and white. Sorry, I'm out of breath. That thing is heavy, y'all. So what this does, your feed line comes in to one side and your supply comes into the other side, and you disconnect it with a mechanical switch, and this way it does not allow this other box to have any power, keeps you safe. So now we just need mounting hardware, which should be here Friday, and then we'll be able to start running power, and we'll get Bob the RV powered, and this will also allow us to power other RVs. So I hope y'all have a great day. Stay hydrated, clean as you go, and stay warm. So